gonna be a hot day.
Yeah.
Like this.
Hot girl in the bathtub.
Going to be fun. Oh.
Is the plan? Don't know if it's the best plan. Good job.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside.
Today we want to get this foundation finished. In the last episode we were able to put most of the brickwork down. In this week we can put on the top coat and get this gear foundation finished, so soon we can have our tiny home, our gear here in Mongolia. This morning, before we can do the concrete, we need to fill up a little bit. I've just been going around on the bricks, marking the point where we need to fill up for. We're just going to flatten out the dirt, then we're going to take some gravel and really get it compressed and as level as we can before we do the insulation, and then we can do the concrete pour. We were thinking about it last night and we actually just messed around with it. I think it's going to work. What we actually did is we put a rebar in the middle. We just secured it for now, and then put a pole on here to get the right angle. When we actually do the concrete pour, we can use this to go all the way around, because when we do the concrete we want to have it at a very slight angle all the way out so that water can run out, and we won't have a problem with that. I think it's going to work. It's a little bit messy in the middle, but anyway, we will fix it. Carry on marking, fill up, and then we can do the insulation and the pour. It's going to be a hot day.
Yeah. No
It's
clouds.
just sun, no clouds, no wind. All right, let's crack on. We got all the gravel in, we compressed it down. Now we're just going to install all the foam and get that all evened up. Then we can put in some rebar and then we can pour.
Yeah.
But it's nice, it's got this little edge, so we're just going to put it like a puzzle, tape it down, and hopefully we have enough of this.
Hi. What are you doing there?
I was just tying the rebar down a little bit. We're just trying to make it as easy for ourselves so we can just pour out the concrete. I think it'll work. We have all the foam down. We have some rebar wire that's over it. We changed that for smaller bolts so it doesn't make such a big change. So we can use this as a trowel all the way around.
Hopefully not gonna rain today.
It's always a bit nervous because we hear lightning storms in the background. And we have some traumatic experience with lightning storms while pouring concrete. Absolute disaster. It is pouring down, thunder going on our newly poured concrete pad. Please don't rain. All right,
Okay.
let's get this pad poured.
Like this.
Much better than the bathtub.
far.
Good.
Yeah, that's it.
Good job, Zula. You soon done? We got the pour done. We just got to keep an eye on it. Keep wetting it down. It doesn't have to be perfect since we're going to put a gear on top of it and we're going to put flooring and decking and all that type of stuff. So we're not going to see the concrete. So if there's any small mistakes, it's all right. But otherwise, it looks great. We're getting better at concrete pouring.
Yes.
Slowly.
Yeah.
But that's a good
Look
job.
at this. Nice.
Really nice. And it's round. It's the first round thing where we have on the homestead.
Yes.
Everything else is square.
That's great. Yeah.
And Mongolians don't like square things. Mongolians like everything round.
Yes.
Absolutely exhausted. We have,
It's 8 o'clock now.
yeah, quite a bit of cleaning up to do. As Ula said, it's 8 o'clock. We haven't eaten. We've had lunch. We haven't had dinner. But yeah, we're just going to keep an eye on this. As I said, just wet it down. I don't have a big trowel and it's not that important to have it perfectly smooth. Concrete work is a messy job.
Concrete shower.
Concrete shower. Check this.
Yeah.
We check this in the morning.
Yes.
But I have to be out here a few times. Spring. All right.
Right. See you next time. Or see you in the morning. This looks like a cake. Round, big cake.
Big round.
Big round cake.
Good job. Finally, we have a foundation for our house.
And you.
Gear.
For our gear. Good job. Good job.
Good job.
Finally, we have this foundation done. It needs to cure for the next couple of days or weeks. Then we can start to put the gear on top of here. We still have a few things to do around the homestead. Plus, we need to finish.
Plus 3.
3. Plus, we have to finish the back area so that the water doesn't come onto the platform. Right, nice.
Okay.
Next job.
Where's next job? What's the next job, Tommy? I really like a puzzle, but this is different type of puzzle. So we need to get all the grass and shape it up and try to get to place them, and it's going to be fun. Oh.
So at the back of the gear here we have this kind of, because the grass is higher than the gear, and here in Mongolia, if you know, you know, sometimes we have a lot of flooding. So we need to sort this out so that it's easy for the water to drain off. We have been discussing as a family many different options, but we wanted to look as natural as possible. So we have all this grass we've been testing, all the pieces of grass that we had here. Try to put back some dirt and some grass so we have a little bit of a hill. It's a plan. Don't know if it's the best plan, but it's going to look nice anyway. Hopefully it works. What do you think, Zula?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see how it looks. Okay, puzzle time. Yeah, you did all the puzzles, so all the grass is on. Just taking some dirt, some black soil, and just filling up all the cracks so it can be more cohesive. It's going to take a while. The grass has got to come, you got to cut it, you got to keep flattening it off. But after a while, we'll have this nice hill, hopefully. finally we got this platform done.
Yes.
It's gonna cure over the next week. So next week, next week we can actually build this gear and show you what it is actually like
Finally.
and tell you all the special things about this gear.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna end the video here. Next week we'll be building this gear and we will see you there.
Yeah. See you next time, Susan.
See you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye. Something over. Oh, nice. Good job.